This is the King Suite at the Caribe Royale here in Orlando, just minutes from Walt Disney World. We've got a desk, we've got a couch here that does turn into a bed, a fold-out bed here. We've got TV number one, we've got our little mini fridge and some storage as well as coffee and water. The bathroom is going to be separated where you can get ready over here, you can get ready in here, and I always appreciate this, a shower that's tall enough for me. Then we're going to head into the main bedroom area where we've got the closet and our robe and our storage. We've got TV number two. We've got the bed itself over here, and in numerous spots, we do have the USB chargers in case you forget to bring the actual block and you only have the cord for your phone or smart devices. A little spot to lounge, and then of course a view right out here looking out over the pool and other parts of the hotel. And if you're in the right room and you look right this way, that is Walt Disney World with Epcot in the distance.